Hey everyone, it's Christina Daves with PR for Anyone, and I want to start doing Get Famous Friday tips because the more I talk to people, the more I understand how much people want to be known and seen as experts in their industry. And getting media exposure is one of the fastest and easiest ways to establish that credibility and that visibility. So today I want to talk about finding the right journalist. And LinkedIn, where we are right here, is a perfect place to do it. So what I recommend though is don't just connect with them. Put in a note, tell them how you're valuable to them. Not your pitch, not what you can do, but what your expertise is. And if they ever need any information in your industry, feel free to reach out to you. So do your searches in LinkedIn for media. Pick your top media outlets and then search for them in LinkedIn. See who's there. Build a relationship. See if what they're posting about. Are they publishing articles? Are they talking about their articles or their television segments, things that you can comment on, that you can share with your audience. And then when you share with your audience, you could give some feedback on it in terms of your opinion. But build your relationship with the journalists here on LinkedIn. I will tell you that I have had tremendous success doing that. I actually appeared on the Dr. Oz show because I connected with a Dr. Oz producer, and it took about a year, but that's okay. I got on the Dr. Oz show. But I helped her with so many other stories when she realized that I was very connected entrepreneurially. So I used that to my benefit to stay connected, to build value, to build the relationship. And then there was an opportunity for me to be on the show. So use this amazing resource that we're all on here on LinkedIn. Do your homework, connect with the journalists, build relationships, and I'm wishing you tremendous PR success. And if you haven't joined the PR Challenge yet, please do. 10 minutes a day. We will get you massive visibility. It's at www.yourprchallenge.com. Thanks.